Budapest is one of the most beautiful cities in Europe. The city is often called the Pearl of the Danube because of its stunning views along the river. You will find a mix of history, culture, and vibrant modern life here. Budapest is known for its grand architecture, relaxing thermal baths, and lively streets full of charm. From historic castles to buzzing cafes, the city has something for everyone. Join me as we explore the best places that make Budapest so special. Buda Castle is the historic heart of Budapest. It sits high on Castle Hill and offers breathtaking views of the Danube and the city below. The castle has stood for centuries and reflects the rich history of Hungary. Today, it is home to museums and galleries that share stories of art and culture. Walking through its courtyards and grand gates feels like stepping back in time, making it a must-see landmark of the city. The Hungarian Parliament building is the most iconic symbol of Budapest. It stands proudly along the Danube with its stunning neo-Gothic design and towering spires. The building is one of the largest parliaments in the world and a masterpiece of architecture. At night, it glows beautifully, reflecting on the river like a scene from a fairy tale. Whether seen up close or from across the water, it captures the true spirit of Budapest. Fisherman's Bastion is one of the most enchanting spots in Budapest. It looks like a fairy tale castle with white towers and terraces overlooking the city. From here, you get some of the best panoramic views of the Danube and the Parliament building. The Bastion was built in the late 19th century to celebrate the fishermen who once defended this part of the city. Its arches and stairways create a magical atmosphere that feels timeless. Széchenyi thermal bath is the most famous spa in Budapest and one of the largest in Europe. It is known for its bright yellow neo-Baroque building and relaxing outdoor pools. The warm waters come from natural hot springs and are enjoyed by both locals and travelers throughout the year. Visitors can soak in healing baths, try saunas, or join a game of chess played in the steaming pools. It is a unique experience that defines Budapest culture. St. Stephen's Basilica is the largest church in Budapest and a masterpiece of architecture. Its grand dome rises high above the city and can be seen from many streets. Inside, you will find beautiful artworks, marble columns, and a peaceful atmosphere that invites reflection. The basilica is named after the first king of Hungary, whose relic is kept here. Visitors can also climb to the top for a breathtaking view over the rooftops of Budapest. Gellért Hill is one of the best spots to see the beauty of Budapest from above. The climb is rewarded with sweeping views of the Danube, the Parliament, and the bridges that connect the city. At the top stands the Citadella, a fortress built in the 19th century. The hill is also home to the Liberty statue, a symbol of freedom and resilience. Visiting here at sunset gives a magical view as the city lights begin to glow. The Chain Bridge is the oldest and most famous bridge in Budapest. It was the first to connect Buda and Pest across the Danube, bringing the two sides of the city together. The bridge is decorated with stone lions and has a timeless elegance that makes it a true landmark. At night, it shines with lights that reflect beautifully on the water. Walking across the Chain Bridge gives one of the most unforgettable views of Budapest. Heroes' Square is one of the most important landmarks in Budapest. It is a grand open space surrounded by statues of Hungarian kings and leaders who shaped the nation's history. At the center stands the tall Millennium Monument topped with the Archangel Gabriel. The square is not only a place of beauty, but also a symbol of national pride. Its wide space and majestic sculptures make it a perfect spot to feel the spirit of Hungary. Central Market Hall is the largest indoor market in Budapest and a lively place full of colors and flavors. Inside, you can find fresh fruits, vegetables, meats, and traditional Hungarian products. The market is famous for its paprika, sausages, and handmade souvenirs. The building itself is beautiful, with a red brick exterior and a patterned roof. Walking through the bustling stalls gives a real taste of local life and Hungarian culture. Matthias Church is a stunning landmark in the heart of Budapest. Its colorful roof tiles and intricate Gothic architecture make it stand out on Castle Hill. The church has a rich history and has hosted many royal ceremonies over the centuries. Inside, you can admire beautiful frescoes, ornate altars, and detailed stained glass windows. The peaceful interior and striking exterior make it one of the most memorable sights in the city.